Hi, this is Miss Dolan, and today we're going to kind of talk about how do plates move, the plates of the crust of the Earth, and how they're moving in and during plate tectonics. So let's kind of get started. We know that the crust of the Earth, the lithosphere, is actually broken into plates. Okay, there's actually just major spots here, and underneath these plates is the asthenosphere. So the plates of the Earth are actually floating in magma in the asthenosphere. Okay, well then how do they move then? How is this actually happening? Well, we know that the center of the Earth is really, really, really hot. Okay, it's really hot. So what happens is that the magma that gets closer to the bottom, closer to the part that's the hottest, actually gets heated up. And as it gets heated up, it actually rises up. Okay, think of a hot air balloon. Hot air is actually less dense, so it becomes less dense and floats basically to the top of the magma. Well, as it gets up here, it actually kind of hangs out here, but then it starts to cool down, okay? And as it cools down, it's going to now float back down to the bottom, because if it's cool, it is more dense. Okay, I don't necessarily want to say heavier or lighter, but it gets a little bit lighter and then kind of gets more heavy and then sinus sinks to the bottom. Well, as it gets back down here, it's going to get heated up again and move back around. We basically have this conveyor belt that's going. And as this goes, it actually moves the plates in a certain direction. Now, this kind of event, these convection currents is what this is called, actually is happening all over the place under every single plate. So we have all of these issues that are going around, actually moving plates in either together or opposite directions. So the plates of the plate tectonics move because of convection currents. Hot air is less dense, so it goes up, it cools down, and so if it's colder, it's more dense. So underneath the plates is a version of convection that actually keeps them going.